primetime news this evening, Rashid Broadbell bags bronze medal on a mixed day for Jamaicans in Paris. JPS to miss another deadline to restore power to all of its customers. And the Prime Minister says funding won't be pulled from major agricultural projects to cover barrel spending.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm. Janella, we'll be having some company news this evening. Guess what? Tropical Battery is reporting an increase in profit. That and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And a busy day in sports today at the Olympics. Giovanni Dennis has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Well, Archibald, as we said, a mixed day for Jamaica. In addition to Broadbell getting that bronze medal, another field athlete is complaining about treatment by officials from the JOA and the J3s. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail.
Actually, Romain is here and he has a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, General. Now, for the afternoons for the remainder of this week, we do have thunderstorm activity expected. That's tomorrow as well as Saturday, but the tropical wave is expected in the area on Sunday.
Yeah, time for the feedback question. What are we asking tonight?
Tonight we're asking, what are your thoughts on the failure of Jamaica's men's 4x100 meters team to make the Olympic relay final for the first time in 20 years?
Can't wait to hear the comments. You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.